Welcome to this video tutorial on how to sign up for summer reading at the Prospect Heights Public Library using Read Squared. This video will show how to sign up an adult and family members for summer reading on the Read Squared app. The video is screenshots from an iPhone. Keep in mind that it might look different on a different device or a computer. The process, though, is similar on all devices. Let's get started. After you've downloaded the Read Squared app, open it. You should be prompted to search for your library. Type in Prospect Heights Public Library and then hit Continue. It should bring you to this screen. From here, it will ask you to choose between Login and Register. If this is the first time signing up for the program, hit Register. It will then ask if you want to register just yourself or others. Let's choose yourself and others. First, the program will ask for the primary user's information. This will most likely be the adult. After selecting the user's age, enter the first and last name, email, and create a username and password for the account. Be sure to pick something for the username and password that you will remember. Your password must also be at least 7 characters and include at least 1 letter and 1 number. You must also be sure that the password and confirmation match. Then hit Continue. We will now enter information for the next family member, starting with their age, which will determine which reading program they are a part of, and then their names and school information. Continue adding readers until everyone you want to register is registered with their information. When you have added everyone, hit Done Adding Readers. That's it, you're all registered. Until June 5th, this is the screen you will see with a countdown clock. One helpful tip: sometimes things display better on the phone if you turn it sideways. After June 5th, you'll be able to start tracking your reading and other summer program activities. If you still need more help or have other questions about summer reading, please contact the library. Thanks for watching, and we can't wait to see you this summer.